Hey guys, welcome back to the Style Chair. Today's video is basically tell you all about this miraculous product that I found. It's just by chance, it's not sponsored, but I just had to share my experience with you. So you all know I traveled to the US and I did a lot of drugstore shopping, which I normally don't do. We see these fancy brands, nice stuff on Sephora, ask someone to get them for us, and that's how it goes. But I'd gone to Target in the US and that place had literally all the brands possible, so I went crazy shopping there. Another favorite of mine from the drugstores normally is Maybelline, and it's been that for years, whether it's Maybelline India or Maybelline USA. Of course, the range in Maybelline USA is much more, but without further ado, I just have to tell you, I was so much from Maybelline and I absolutely love their stuff, and you always get amazing things from Maybelline which actually work really well and they're not very expensive. So while quickly rummaging through all of the makeup that was there at Maybelline, I just happened to pick up this concealer which is called the Master Conceal by Face Studio, and this is what it looks like. It's in this tube form. I saw this tube and since it looked a little yellowish colored, I thought it might work pretty well on Indian skin tone, and especially for my under eyes, which are a little darker. But when I opened this up and I started to use it, I realized it looks really great, and I was extremely upset that being a makeup artist I'd made such a mistake. There wasn't much of yellow pigment in it and it actually seemed quite white, and I was, like I said, really upset. So as you can see, this is really bright, and this is just not what's expected from a concealer. You're not supposed to end up looking like this. But wait, because apparently magic is gonna happen. I had no idea. I went with absolutely no reviews, no products in mind per se what I wanted to pick up, except of course the holographic highlighter was definitely on my mind. That's the only thing I knew that I had to pick up, but the rest was just picked up by chance. Can you all see how slowly it's actually absorbing into the skin and getting the right shade? Unbelievable, right? What I started with was a stark white patch, and this is what it's actually getting to. Just gonna use my Maybelline powder, which you keep seeing me use time and again. I'm not even sure if I should be wearing this for the day, but I just love this. I think I should do a pure Maybelline makeup look. So I am extremely impressed. I went from being ashamed of myself, picking up a product that's not good, to being really upset with Maybelline, to loving the camouflage concealer. It's really camouflaged very well into my skin. Like you all saw what I started out with and what I ended up with. It is just amazing. So thank you, Maybelline. Hashtag not sponsored. It's been about half day of work and I've eaten up half of my lipstick. But look at this. If y'all can get your hands on it, y'all must.